Coming live from Central Florida. This is XCC calling. My double tank batch solar collector. Got a 50 gallon on the right hand side, a 40 gallon on the left. I still have some more trim work to do. It rests on a bed of pressure treated 4x4s and 2x4s. 4x4s are sunk in the ground about 2 feet. I filled it up with 90 gallons of 70-degree well water this morning, about 11 o'clock actually. And last reading I had was about 115 degrees. The tank, the under glass temperature is about 130 right now. And let's see, I got 112 degrees earlier out of it. Let's see what we can get. I got a probe stuck up here in the relief valve. See what we can get up to here now. This has been heated up for about 4 hours. So a rise from about 70-degree well temperature, and then plus they had to heat the glass up in the tank and the box and everything. So it's about 112 degrees. That's as it sits right now. I've just got it tied into a garden hose to fill it. It's not tied into the house yet. Still got to foam my penetrations. The both tanks drains come out to one drain here, so I can drain either one of them independently. I can fill either one of them independently, and that's about it for today.